What's up, YouTube? This is Too Raw for TV. I have some sad news to pass along to you all. If you haven't heard about this, those of you who grew up in the 90s and perhaps the early 2000s, you remember him, you know him. He's a rap legend. Krayzie Bone, a member of one of the greatest hip hop groups ever, Bone Thugs and Harmony, is reportedly fighting for his life in the ICU in a Los Angeles hospital. So, according to reports, Krayzie checked himself into a Los Angeles area hospital on Friday after he started coughing up large amounts of blood. Krayzie suffers from sarcoidosis, an inflammatory disease in which the immune system overreacts, causing groups of cells to form clusters of inflamed tissue called granulomas in one or more organs of the body. You may recall that comedian Bernie Mac suffered from this. It was never determined whether sarcoidosis was directly responsible for his passing. He died of pneumonia. But you have to use your common sense to think that it played a role, probably. But of course, Bernie Mac died after spending, I think, something like a week in the hospital back in August of 2008. He was 50 years old. So, CAT scan, according to the articles, Krayzie Bone underwent a CAT scan. Doctors discovered an artery which was leaking inside one of his lungs. He underwent immediate surgery, but the bleeding did not stop. As of today, Krayzie is purportedly on a breathing machine and sedated. Bizzy Bone took to his Instagram stories with a simple message: "Pray for Cray." He added, "Can't sleep, sometimes you just gotta pray." Sources added he quit smoking a few months ago, which seemed to signal something was awry. The troubling news is starting to spread on Twitter, with many sending their good energy Krayzie's way. And, of course, hip-hop is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. We just had a hip-hop 50th anniversary party at the fake black woman, Kamala Harris's estate, her home, I should say, not her estate, in Washington, D.C. And, Bone Thugs and Harmony, one of the greatest, like I said, groups. I don't know the numbers off the top of my head, but I know they sold millions and millions of records and CDs or whatever. But yeah, pray for Cray.